Hey guys, this is Chris with Moto Photo Adventures and welcome back to the channel. I have a big Christmas giveaway coming up. Oh, the producer dude is like, I can't tell you till the very end. I forgot, I'm sorry. All right, so stick around. We'll have some big news for you at the end of the video. But I did want to tell you, we were on the Trans-America Trail and I think it was episode 24. I'll link to the video for you up here. But the day before, Jason had all kinds of problems with his bike. It had this rattling sound coming from underneath it. And the next morning at the campsite, we discovered that his chain was extremely loose. It was way out of whack. And so we had this little roadside repair kind of situation going on. And so you can check it out in the video. Coincidentally, when we got back, we were contacted by a company that said they had a product that would have probably helped us in that situation. So here we are. Jason Bennett, no helmet.
No.
You're not the mad producer guy anymore?
No, I'm not mad at all. I'm generally a happy person.
If you like the video, and even if you don't, hit the like button and the notification bell.
Okay, good.
Okay, yes.
So what do we have?
This is BPA Racing, Best Power Sports Accessories Motorcycle Chain Slack Adjuster Tool. And This company contacted us, like you said, right after we got back, which is kind of coincidental. We could have used that on the trail. But we're going to give it a whirl today and see how it works.
All right, so let's see what's in that thing.
All right, here we go. Open it up. We have a nice velvet pouch with the BPA Racing logo on it. And then we have the actual item itself in a padded case. We have the wrench and the other wrench.
Nice. Got some nice heft to it. It's beautifully designed. Looks good. Feels good. It's beautifully machined. Designed in Germany. Let's see if it works.
Cool. All right, so we're just going to do this step by step. The first thing you need is the wrenches for the axle. We have a 22 and a 24 millimeter for me. We have an Allen wrench to adjust the distance on the back wheel to tighten the chain itself, and we have a tape measure to make sure that we get the slack on the first measurement correct. Now mine is 0.8 to 1.2 inches, so we're going to split the difference and call it 1. And then once we have that measurement set up, we can adjust the slack adjuster from BPA to exactly what 1 inch is here to get a starting point, and then we can figure out how that thing works.
So here's a little brilliant thought from this company. They put the instructions right on the back of the box. So Jason, first thing we need to do is calibrate. Before calibrating the BPA slack setter tool, make sure the chain slack is adjusted as instructed in your motorcycle owner's manual.
All right, I'm gonna pop the button.
I do that all the time.
These are a little tight. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the 24 millimeter and the 22 millimeter and loosen up the back axle. So next we break out the tape measure and we measure 1 inch.
So you're gonna need my help here to get a second pair of hands?
Yes, see, it seems like we found the first benefit, which is once you get this measured, you don't have to hold a tape measure back there as you tighten the back or extend the back axle. That's going to tell us where it is, so we don't have to have 2 hands working on this, you know what I mean? Hold that, twist this, check it, twist it, check it, twist it. So we just have to watch.
So one little tool and you just plop it on and you're good.
We're about to find out. Is that about right?
You're
too much?
Too slack.
Too slack. All right, let's tighten that up. 1 twist. Oh, I scraped it on the concrete.
You got a boo-boo.
I do. So right now I've tightened the left side up to 2 slots on the nose, so I'm going to do that to the other side. Might take a couple of turns, but the other one was 2 on the nose.
Nice.
That is about 1 inch. Okay, we're going to call that measured. So the next step is to tighten it back down and lock the axle. Cool. All right, so the next step is that now that we have the chain at the correct tightness, we now have to calibrate this for this chain. So put this on the low spot, 1 above, 1 below, and we pull up on the other side and latch it onto the chain like that. Next step is to align this notch with that notch. So we have to loosen it, put the here and here, and loosen. Now that it's loose, we can align the two notches like this, and then we tighten the center back up. Boom. So now that it's calibrated, the next time I have to adjust the chain, I won't have to break out the little measuring tape. I just tighten up the back until I see the two notches align, and we are good to go. That would have been very convenient out in the field.
Well, cool. That was pretty easy.
Right.
So next time we're stuck in the field or whatever, now that it's already calibrated, all you have to do is pop it on, pop it off, check that it's aligned.
Right.
If it's slightly one way or the other, you just torque the little thing.
Correct.
That's it.
Now a note, it is calibrated for my motorcycle, a 2011 V-Strom DL650, which is, you know, the 1 inch of slack. If it's on someone else's motorcycle, of course, you have to calibrate it to that.
Right. Which is why, so I'll have a separate one for my bike that
Correct.
I'll have calibrated for my bike, and then if we get stuck somewhere and it's my chain that's the problem, I just pop mine on, and it's.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. I mean, it is a luxury item.
It is a luxury item. You know, you can check the chain using
Tape measure.
or eyeballing it with your foot, or, you know, it's
forth.
possible to adjust your chain without this product, but it certainly makes your life a lot easier.
Yeah, skip some steps. Instead of tighten, measure, now you have something that tells you when you hit the nose without having to break out a multiple tool or an extra set of hands.
Very cool, and
I like it.
feels really durable. I think it'll probably last you the life of your bike. So,
Yeah. I think it's a good garage piece of equipment, man.
absolutely,
All right,
great product.
excellent.
BPA Racing, you rock. Thank you so much. Yay! So we can tell them about the giveaway now?
I think so.
Awesome. Well, this one is yours, so
Thank
you
you.
get to keep that one.
It's the orange.
That's the orange one. But these other 5 units from BPA Racing, they gave us to give away to you guys. So for our Christmas giveaway, we want everybody to leave a really cool comment in the comments below. Let us know what you think. Would this be a cool little helpful tool for you to pop on your bike when you're on the road and need to check your chain? And from all the comments that we get, in a week's time, we are going to pick 5 winners from those randomly and send you guys a product. So you get one of these BPA Racing chain adjuster tools all for yourself for Christmas.